Hello, my name is Jason Waters, and today I'm going to be presenting to the company of RSPCA. So with my billboard, you can clearly see that it's covering the topic of littering and how it affects animals and how animals are suffering every day. So my target audience is the general public, but more specifically people who litter. So with my billboard, you can see I went with a little bit more humorous approach with the don't litter for ducking's sake. The reason I did this is not to take away from the significance of the suffrage of the animals, but more just to make the audience maybe laugh a little bit with the punniness of the statement. The reason I do this is because I was thinking to myself, when I drive by billboards, I just look at them, I read them, and then they're never to be thought of again. So with this, there's a little bit more distinction, and it allows my audience to have more of a chance of remembering my billboard. So with my color therapy, I use complementary colors. There's a lot of green and yellow, which go together very well. They're complementary colors on the color scale, and they flow very nicely together. They don't look like they're being forced to work together. And you can also see the beak of the duck is yellow, as well as my text. So it really allows my text and my object, being the duck, to coincide together. So let's go over some statistics. According to the RSPCA, they receive about 5,000 phone calls a year, and that equates to about 14 calls a day. And these are just calls purely based off of animals who are suffering from littering. How they suffer is plastic bags can suffocate the animals, glass can sever arteries and do major injuries to the animals, fishing hooks become embedded in the skin, fishing line can wrap around the animal and cause it to suffocate. And just to put numbers in perspective, about 129,602 animals are rescued every year. So to tie back into the billboard, as you can see, I line my text around the duck. It's kind of behind the duck, and it doesn't overpower it, but it's still big enough to where you could read it. The yellow is lighter than the green, just to show that the duck is of the utmost importance, and it is my focal point. It's my focal point in the fact that it's the main, is taking up most of the space on the page. But the plastic around the deck snook shows that animals are being affected every day, and they are suffering from littering that humans are doing. So that is my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy my billboard as well. Thank you.